Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe.
Chapter 4, Transcendental Knowledge, Divya Gnanam.
Test 25. दैवमेवापरे यज्ञं योगिना पर्युपासते ब्रह्माज्ञावपरे यज्ञं यज्ञो नैवोपजुहाति. Some yogis worship the celestial gods with material offerings unto them. Others worship perfectly who offer the self as sacrifice in the fire of the supreme truth. कुछ योगी सांसारिक पदार्थों की आहुति देते हुए यज्ञ द्वारा देवताओं की पूजा करते हैं. अन्य लोग जो वास्तव में आराधना करते हैं वे परम सत्य ब्रह्म रूपी अग्नि में ఆత్మాహుతి దేతే హై. కొంతమంది యోగులు భౌతికమైన వస్తువులు సమర్పిస్తూ దేవతలను పూజిస్తారు. మరికొంతమంది పరమ సత్యమనే అగ్నిలో తమ ఆత్మనే సమర్పిస్తూ సంపూర్ణంగా ఆరాధిస్తారు. పర్సనల్ అప్లికేషన్స్. The demigods are powerful as well as highly elevated living entities appointed by the Supreme Lord for the maintenance of the material functions like heating Agni, watering Varuna, lighting Sun God, air Vayu, Prithvi Bhudevi, finance Lakshmi, education Saraswati, etc. There are two types of devotees. One worship devatas by various sacrifices for a quick material benefits. They are called Bhava Ishvaravadi, believers in many gods. Others worship Supreme Lord, Vishnu, Krishna, Rama for material and spiritual objects. They spend their time in a transcendental nature, worship and sacrifice for the absolute truth of Supreme Lord by merging into supreme fire. Arjuna sacrificed everything for the satisfaction of the Krishna and he became the first class yogi but did not lose his identity. The aim of an individual should be a first class devotee. प्रभुपाद की जय. हरे कृष्णा.